Hello, and welcome to our last video on the Zoom series. Today, we are going to talk about the last feature available, its accessibility and new features available in the new Zoom update. To be able to access the accessibility feature, click the gear icon as usual and go to the last section available. In this accessibility section, you are able to adjust your closed caption. Below it, you then are able to set the display size for your font size in chat. The last feature available is the screen reader alerts. This pops the following messages when the conditions are met. The tick boxes shown on the right side allows you to enable or disable it. And lastly, you are able to restore all defaults. Immersive View is a layout where a limited number of participants will be positioned in fun backgrounds. Note that only hosts have this option. To be able to do this, go in a Zoom call and click View, which is found on the top right of the screen. You then are able to select participants automatically or manually and also add a custom background by clicking this plus icon here. Once done, everyone with the versions 5.6.4 or above will be able to see the immersive view. Versions before 5.6.4 won't be affected and won't be able to see the immersive view. With the new update, Zoom allows you to send emojis and reactions, and you can now also search for emojis for easier use. You're also able to find the raise hand feature in reactions. This last feature is not a new feature, but something we just missed. In the Zoom homepage, you're able to click on your profile picture and these options will show up. You are able to see your default name, email address, account license, and also you're able to add a personal note for yourself. Other features include settings and status. If you do decide to enable your status to Do Not Disturb, you're able to set a duration for that status. The last few features available are My Profile, Try Top Features, Help, Check for Updates, and Switch to Portrait View. This only applies for the Zoom homepage. Click again to switch to Landscape View. Lastly, you are able to switch accounts, sign out, and buy a license. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned new features from this tutorial. We have reached the end for this series about Zoom, and stay tuned for our next series about Google Meet. Leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. See you next time.